Prajwal Pathak and I'm pursuing computer science engineering. And today we are given a topic to discuss, that is impact of technology on human life. It is good or bad. So I'm in favor of its positive. That is, it is a good impact on human being. So let's start. So as we know that today we are living in a society where technology is dominating, and we are doing our job with so much ease. Everything is on our fingertip. We can do anything just on one click with the help of technology. On previous time, you have seen that our work, the work has been done only by humans or by man force, but now work is being done by machines, devices, and technologies now. So it made our life very easy and comfortable and very reliable. If we talk about, like if we talk about in previous time, people used to communicate in long distances through letters, and that takes so much time. And it is sometimes our letters also got may also we didn't get on time and didn't get letters, or if it is sent on wrong location. But now with the help of internet, we have technology, or today's technology, we can easily communicate with anyone around the world from any corner, simply with the help of technology. So technology gave us this technology is a very is something like a gift to us.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhumika Rajput, and in my opinion, it has a negative impact. As because of technologies, unemployment is increasing. As technology is coming day by day, new technologies. So the boss of the company.
Okay, I am also support you.
Fired.
Please try to complete.
Yeah. So the boss of the company fired the laborers who do simply works like as we talk about accountants. In recent time, accountants are done by hands, and it works really good. Like if there is any mistake of 1 rupee also, so the person or the accountant used to find it, because it also increases the memory of the person. So it is good. It is good, like someone is working without technology, so it increases the memory of the person.
I am also support. She says that technology also impact our job in the job. Here we say that we see that in the cinema. Here we are movie shoot by the randomly person, and when we shoot at the aerial view, many person the cameraman is in the helicopter and shoot the whole movie. In the now present, the technology make impact. He made the drone, so he get destroy the job of the pilot of the helicopter, and also have the cameraman. So technology makes the life easier, but he just say and the technology also destroy the human job.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I am Ananjugal, and I am saying something about negative impact of technology. You know very well about AI. AI is the tool. You can search anything and you can got answer. And the AI, by the AI, 20 lakh persons lost our job.
Okay, and my friend says that AI is also bad things of human life, because the AI make the human lazy. He did not want to any do by our mind. So many people destroy our things by using the AI. So like the example, if I am a developer, if I create a code for the calculator, so here many students use the AI to he type create a website by using the HTML CSS. So AI draw the calculator easily, and student copy the code and paste the our website. So here the student does not use our mind, the AI use the mind. So here AI thinks student lazier by lazier.
In
Sorry to interrupt you, sir, but don't you think that AI is also created by human? It has been created by human also with human brain. So you cannot say that it is created, so it is making us lazy and they are not making us to think about it. But it also created by human. So human also have to gain that knowledge to create AI also.
I am
So it is
I
creating
am
jobs
giving
in
you
the
a live
field of
example
IT.
by our Lalit sir. Lalit sir want to edit video by the AI, but AI does not possible to create any video and edit AI by the AI. Sir, why
Yes.
sir not doing our laptop by the using some softwares?
AI, you are talking about ChatGPT. It is only based on text based, not on the basis of any
But
other input.
it is the
can be possible
it
in the
is the
future.
make habit for the lazier. AI thinks humans make habit for the lazy.
Okay, now let him speak.
We are discussing about technology is good or not in job. In my opinion, technology is good because before the invention of cameras, CCTV cameras, there was many things happened when in shops and many heists were done like in jewelry shops and in many places. After the CCTV camera invention, many thief are kill anything in front of camera. After cameras, ATM also in ATM also CCTV cameras save the ATM from the thief in negative point of view, many employees in the job using social media, they use technology, they do not work properly while the job. It is negative point.
My friend says that CCTV have the human lives are better, but does not impact our job. But CCTV also impact the human job. Why? Because if we have a not CCTV, we hire the security guard for the security purpose. We may hire the security purpose, but
will security
CCTV
guard
destroy
do
the
job for
of the
24
security
hours?
person.
Speak one by one, please.
Okay.
CCTV destroy the job of the security person.
But I do not
But is the impact of the job? But CCTV impact our
But
job.
a human can't.
You say that it is not benefit. This is the impact for the job of the security person.
But a human can't.
In today's time,
secure
it is
the
good to
Because
have-
we talk about only the for the impact of the job, not for the our.
Yes,
Best
it is,
example, please, yes, sir.
it is good to have technologies, but what happened with the poor, those who don't have money to use it, like who are poor, someone who is poor, they are not, they can't afford technologies like they can't afford phone, they can't afford laptop, they can't afford CCTV. So how they work?
Ma'am, we are talking about in job. We are not talking about using anything.
How they use technology? I'm saying this.
How did the technology impact our job? Like CCTV installed here, we does not need to security person. So CCTV camera destroy the
job of
security person job, security guard job.
See, yeah, we know that technology wiping out many jobs, but it is also creating many jobs related to IT and related to our intelligent technology related jobs. Like now, wars are to be fought with machines, drones. So to operate that thing, we need that person that have that knowledge. So it is creating that vacancy also.
Here the developer is the limited, but consumer is the high. That is the
We
main
have to
impact.
adopt. We have to evolve with that.
Some developer make a yes, is the job. Developer make some thesis, some program, some doing some gadget to make a life easier life, but he did also destroy the our.
We are talking about impact of technology. Technology is more essential thing in our life today. We all are dependent on technology. Without technology, we are incomplete. We We have many work to do. Without it, we can't do any work.
Our employer, we see that in the factory, in the past time, here 100 of the employees work in the factory, and today time here only 20 workers only doing the job in the factory by using the automating machine, because automating machine replace the human. So here to help the improve, but it is also increase the
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Rajput, and in my opinion, technology has a bad impact, like it is destroying the memory of persons, and it also has a bad impact on laborers or the persons who are firing for because of technologies.
The negative impact on the teachers' job as well as the student studies, because in the past time student make the notes by the books and teachers made the notes, and in the present time students make the notes by the Google and search the chapter name and make the notes. This is a negative impact of the teachers job, because
Yeah, I'm favor of technology. If we talk about military war, that is, we know in military in war there are many casualties. So to overcome it, technology are inventing many robots, AI based. So they are many stronger, so they can take part in war to lead the country, and we are safe from it. So yeah, like he said, AI is very good, and if we talk about in teaching.
Good evening everyone, my name is Shreya Sharma, and my favorite is technology is good. Technology helpless in human being, and helpless and job. Technology is very fast, and work is सब जल्दी पर हो जाता है. Quick.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Srivastav. As you can say, technology is bad because of the decrease of teachers' job, but technology is good because of its help to increase our mindset and